This is an old Coleman Torch, just a small one. It had a Coleman sticker in front here that was, you could hardly tell what it was, but it was made for Coleman. I don't think Coleman made these, but I think Butler made these for Coleman. Now there's no markings on here that's saying that it is Butler or anything, but I do have another torch that had it marked right on here, Butler, and it was made for Coleman. So I think this is the case. But anyways, I got all these parts, taken them all apart, clean them really good. And this was the old wick in there, and it's starting to fall apart pretty bad. So I decided to go in the house and steal some of the mop for the floor, and it'll work fine. First of all, there was a screen in here that goes in here first, and then this here we have to push into here, but it shouldn't be too hard. Some of them have a wire. If you just keep twisting it, sometimes it's a pain. See, you keep twisting it and making it smaller, and just keep pushing it in. I think that's about it. And the rest of it stays out like this. And that part's done. You can put a little sealant on here if you want. Makes it seal so it don't leak. Now we put this heating cup over. And the screw. There, that looks pretty good. Now this needle valve, the needle part was missing out of it. It had broke off or whatever. So I went to the wife's sewing room and I got a needle. Figured out how long I needed it, cut it off, sharpened it up here, and we're going to see if it's going to work. Now I soak that in oil for a bit. Sounds like it should work. Okay. Now we'll close the valve. There. Thinks you should work. All we have left is put this shield on.